Hello, welcome back to Trikavi art classes. So here I'm having some collection of pencils. I'm going to select 3 different pencils now, and I'm going to show you how to sharp plus and how to work with stroke. Okay, a pencil stroke. We are going to work completely with the lead. I'll select randomly some 3 pencils. See here I'm having one charcoal. Okay, one I'll use this, the other one I'll use this. I'm going to show you 3 types of pencil stroke. Okay, I'll go with normal pencil like Apsara. Okay, I selected 3 different pencils. See, I'm going to use 3 different pencil and I'm having 2 different cutter. See, as an artist, avoid using sharpener. If required, you can use a sharpener, but use a cutter every time. See, before going to a video, see, first we'll learn how to sharp. Then we'll work with the stroke and the graphite. See, I'll hold a pencil always like this. I'll not hold it like this. If you hold like this, it will hurt your hand. Okay, it will hurt your finger. So hold it little far like this. Not near to the tip, little far. Okay, then you should always move to a opposite side. Don't sharp like this. Okay, not in this angle. You should sharp in the opposite way. Okay, see here I'm rotating a pencil like this and I keep on sharpening, so the angle is going like this, and also I'm rotating in other hand. In the left hand I'm rotating the pencil, and the right side only the same angle. I'm using 4B pencil. See, don't keep the pencil tip always like very thin and very short. In some cases I'll remove it like this. See here, just see, if you are very beginner to use this, try once very slowly. Don't do it like very fast. Okay, sharpening the pencil is also a kind of art. Because you don't have a proper edges, then you can't work with a type of drawings. I'll just clean this. See, the one stroke of pencil I'll work with like bold. Okay, the stroke will be like this, and the other one will be like this, and the other one will be like very thin. Okay, this is like a flat like this, and this is like thin stroke like very sharp, and this is like in between of these 2 lines. Okay, I'll go with first one. I'll use this pencil. So first what I'll do, I'll cut it. Okay, I'll cut it the proper edges. See, I told you can shave like this also. You can shave like this also. This is the 2 technique which I'll use to sharp a pencil. So when it's very short, I can't flow it like this. So I'll hold it and then I'll sharp with the thumb finger. See here, when I am working with this stroke, first I will remove this outer layer completely. Let's remove all. Do it very carefully. When we are going to reach the layer, graphite layer, do it like very slowly. Okay, see the layer? Here I will give little smooth. Then if I give some pressure also, graphite will be bit strong. Okay, now just observe here. I am not rotating the pencil. I am just shaving only one side. And I'll rotate it exactly opposite side of this. Okay, then I'll shave. I'll sharp that side also. See, I'm working only with top and bottom. I'm not working with the sides. I'll just show you a little closer. See here? I just show the tip. Fine. See here? So when something I want to work with the stroke. See, I can work like that. So this one we completed, and we'll go for the next, like very thin. I'll use this pencil, Apsara. See, now I'll rotate completely. See, the other side I'm rotating the pencil. Observe, in the left hand I'm rotating the pencil. See here. See, I can draw a thin line. A second pencil is ready. We'll go with the third stroke. See, sometime wooden part will be very hard. So just work like very slowly and carefully. Don't use that 5 rupees or 10 rupees sharp cutter. It will be very sharp. Always cutter will be very sharp and you won't be having a proper grip. When you're having a cutter like this, then you will be having proper grip to hold. If the direction miss also, it will not hurt. See here, exactly in this place. See, we cutted this complete edges. Okay. So let me give some smooth. All around. See here, this is the tip. See, this is the stroke. See here. I hope you understood the topic. We learned 3 different types of strokes of the pencil and we learned how to sharpen a pencil. So if you have any doubts or any question, please ask me in the comment. I'll reply to it. Please subscribe our channel. With a more exciting video, I'll come back soon. Thank you.